We're Sean and Pia van lifing with our three little chihuahuas. There's a heat wave and we made our escape into the mountains. The heat somehow followed us here as well. Please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment below. As always, we thank you all for watching. Welcome back to our channel. We are headed up to Sequoia National Park this long weekend. We've been experiencing quite a bit of a heat wave in California, so we decided to get away from the heat and go up here to the mountains. When we left the city, it was around 110 degrees along the way, and so now that we've climbed up 4,000 feet elevation, the temperature is dropping down to 99 degrees. So we're happy to be escaping the heat. And we've never camped here at Sequoia before. It'll be our first time. We have been here once back in winter, but we have no idea what summer will be like. So hopefully the temperature stays mild because we've got our little puppy Grogu, Han Solo, and Boba with us. So we got to make sure that they stay comfortable while we're camping. So stay tuned and we will show you around our campsite and see what the whole place looks like. So here is baby Grogu, Han Solo, and Boba is in the bag. I set up a fan for her because it was starting to get a little bit toasty back there, although we have the AC turned up. And we're at 4,000 feet elevation. It's dropped down to 96 degrees from 105, which is good for us.
Hello, I'm for 65.
Active bear.
Yeah, all the shows. Oh, Storyteller. How's it going? Should I back in? What do you think? Yeah. Go straight in? Because we'll be sleeping that way.
site. We are at Lodgepole campground. We're right next to the creek, so we will check that out after dinner. Right now we are getting situated, getting dinner started, and then we'll take the dogs for a walk because we've been all cooped up in the van for about 5 hours when we drove here. It is a nice 82 degrees right now up here in the mountains. I think we're up to 7,000 feet elevation, and we're hoping that it will cool down tonight since we're not really planning on having the AC on, because I think we might be stationary for most of the time. We'll take a drive down and see different areas. So hopefully that will charge our Volta, because we need to make sure that if we do run the AC, we have enough battery. But we did get solar panels, external solar panels, to keep the van charged. The last time we used the solar panels, I think we were only getting a positive of about 10 or so. So not too much of a dent, but it kept us topped up when it came to the battery. So for dinner tonight, Sean is gonna make salmon with rice and with corn. So I'm excited for dinner. The last time we ate was around 9 o'clock this morning, around 10 o'clock. It was right before we left home. And we will probably check out most of Sequoia tomorrow. We don't really have a set plan of what we're gonna do. So we will show you guys around, and stay tuned.
Hey everybody, we are doing a quick little arrival cook, and this has been our go-to the last couple weeks. We got a nice salmon fillet, a little nice cut here that we're gonna just grill up easily with some corn on the cob and some rice pilaf. It's a beautiful piece of fish. And we're doing a little combo. Sometimes I'll do fresh lemon or lime, but I'm doing a little kind of chili powder. That's a tequila lime seasoning. Always love this. Is like guaranteed. You gotta do dill weed, and then some good old pepper, salt, and garlic. So this already has some butter on the bottom, and Pia loves the skin, so hopefully it won't get stuck. But we'll be eating pretty soon. Hi Pia, you ready to eat?
Yes.
Do a little nice coating of the dill weed. This gives it that really herbaceous flavor, so I'm pretty liberal with this, and a lot of it will kind of melt into the fish. Gives it a nice coloring, and we are going to be ready to eat soon. So this is all you need to do. Hopefully it'll stay somewhat clean, but just got the corn wrapped and the fish wrapped, and about 20 minutes or so it'll be done. I picked up a new beer to me called Half Dome, so that's why it definitely caught my eye. But we're driving through Fresno on the way to get here. This is a California wheat brewed with peaches, and 4.7, so not too small of a not too high, not too small of an alcohol content. But I've never had something from, this is from Tioga Sequoia Brewery. So definitely always interested in trying out some new craft brews, and I'll check with some of my friends to see if they're aware of this beer as well. So I'll be enjoying pretty soon, and we're gonna be in store for a nice sunset. This is the 4th of July, by the way, so happy 4th to everybody. And the sun is setting over the mountains here. When we came in, it's about good 25 miles in from the main entrance at Kings Canyon to get to Lodgepole, and it's beautiful. So we're going to be showing and exploring a lot of this area for the next couple days, because we are here for 3 nights. Very excited to explore, and we met some new storyteller friends. Just happened to be camping right next to us, at least for the night. So shout out if you guys end up watching this, and it's always fun to pull in next to like-minded friends, and we had a good chat already earlier. This pretty little bridge. Have a little picnic right out on the rocks.